What's going on, guys? Welcome back to a new video. It is that time of the month where I give you those top penny stocks to watch out for. So I want you guys to have those penny stocks on your watch list. So I know the title says penny stocks to buy for January, but these stocks are not just to buy. These stocks could also be to short, because 60% of penny stocks will fail. But why do I give these penny stocks? Well, because these penny stocks usually see huge movements in prices, i.e. by 10 to 20% on the exact dates that I give. But in this case, there's no exact dates, but there is an exact month. So have those on your watch list. So, penny stocks are risky, 60% will fail. But once you start understanding how to play penny stocks, how to trade penny stocks, it will start being easy and you'll understand how to manage your risk. So, let's not invest in penny stocks. I know you clicked on this video thinking that I'm going to give you penny stocks to invest in, but I'm not. I'm going to give you penny stocks to trade. There's a difference between trading penny stocks and investing in penny stocks. Biotech penny stocks have to develop drugs and products. They are deep in losses, they are financially in trouble. But people are betting on these stocks to generate the drugs and develop those drugs and products, the pipeline, i.e. the pills, the syringes, the medicine. They have to develop those. But before they develop those and put them on the market, then they can start earning revenue. They have to test them and they have to update those investors, me and you, about those results of those tests. Either they come out positive or negative. If the result comes out positive of that test, that stock will usually spike in value. If it comes out negative, that stock will go down in value. And that's exactly what I'm giving you guys here. The dates when they will release those results, i.e. they will update you guys with the results. On those days, that stock will spike in value if it comes out positive. If that result comes out negative, and they will release it on their article, on their website, if that comes out negative, that stock will go down in value, right? Let me just explain it this way. So, let me go through these penny stocks. 16. Not many have specific dates, but there's 4 or 5 that have specific dates, i.e. the exact date when they will release them. For those guys who don't know how to find those penny stocks, make sure to have a look at my older videos, or it's also included in the course. First one, HTBX, ONCE. So all of these penny stocks don't have specific dates, only a few. So let me go through the ones that don't have a specific date. HTBX, ONCE, CFRX, CORT, COCP, ASLN, TCON, TCON, SNNA, CTYX, BTAI, SPHRY, January 7th. SPHRY, January 7th. AXSM, there's no date for that. MGEN, that's January 11th. RNN, that's January 17th, between January 17th and the 18th, or the 19th. ASLN, again, January 18th. MDWD is just January. So there's 16 here. Don't worry about the tickers. But all of these will be released in January. I.e. those stocks, you will see growth in these stocks. In the stock. I.e. movements by 10 to 20%. It could happen on the exact date, or it would take about 5 days to happen. Alright? So that's where you place your short position for a long term, or your buy position for whatever. But you will realize with penny stocks, these penny stocks will always go down in value. The majority. So that tells you one thing. Learn how to short. If you haven't got my course, it's in the description, guys. Get it before the end of December, because it will double in value and I will add more content in January, like I said. So let's talk. Penny stocks are risky. 60% will fail. But the majority of people believe in penny stocks as in it's their getaway ticket. And yes, it could be if you know what you're doing. But it's not a simple thing where you just buy it and it goes up in value because it's a penny stock. It doesn't work like that. You will have to learn, analyze properly, learn the hard way if you have to. It's not going to be an easy ride, but if you put your head down, you will learn the hard way, guys. Penny stocks are risky. 60-70% of penny stocks will fail. If we look at all my kind of takes on these penny stocks, you will see most of the majority of penny stocks have failed. That's exactly what's anticipated. Why did they fail? Because they're penny stocks. Not many people are willing to bet on these stocks. But some people want someone to tell them invest in these penny stocks because they're going to spike in value. Only a handful, only those that will actually have a product and start generating revenue and get out of debt, those are the ones that will actually take you to the next level. Otherwise, you can make money by shorting these penny stocks, betting that these stocks are going down in value. That's the only way you can actually become successful with trading penny stocks, is to focus on just shorting these penny stocks. For those guys that don't know how to short, like I said, it's also included in my course and explains to you where to short and how to short. Because if you look at all the penny stocks that I've given you in the biotech field, you will see the majority have failed. Now, these are the kind of penny stocks that I prey on, i.e. feed off, because they really make it easier for people like me and you. They tell us why, they tell us when, and they tell us how. So it makes it easier, and that's why I can come out and give you all of this, which you haven't been given this before, to be honest. I don't think so. I haven't personally. I don't see it on YouTube. So for someone to come out and talk about this, it's new to a beginner, but you should learn it from movies, not from me, and then come learn it from me. Because if you look at any movie, Charlie Sheen, Wolf of Wall Street, all of them will talk about these penny stocks and you know, pink slips or whatnot. But that's what it is. These are pink slips. They are operating from an office. They don't have labs. They're outsourcing everything, but they're just operating from a shop, right? And they call themselves a company. So these are the kind of penny stocks you're actually investing in. But if I know I can bet on these by going down in value, I will do it. I don't care. I'm going to short these stocks. It's none of my business. I don't care if they succeed or fail. I don't care what disease they're trying to, you know, cure. This is ruthless business, right? You have to be ruthless. And that's it. You have to be ruthless if you're going to come to this kind of industry. This is the only way to succeed, is to be ruthless, guys. Otherwise, you might as well not be here. Because shorting is you betting that this person's company is going to fail. I know it's disgusting to say that. It's disgusting to think that, but that's what we do. We short these companies. We're like, yeah, this thing going to fail. You know, this thing that is curing a disease is going to fail. This thing that is curing HIV, I'm going to short it. I'm going to bet for it to fail. See? That's called being ruthless. But those are the same people that you look up to. I guess those traders you look up to, be like, teach me. But they're going to teach you how to short these companies and have them fail. Even though they might be doing something good for the people, for the environment, for the world, we're still going to bet on them to fail. That's a ruthless business to go into. Alright? So, see you again for another, guys. It's like always, I appreciate you for watching. Remember, we only trade penny stocks. We do not invest in penny stocks. Investing is not an ideal option for penny stocks. You can do it with other stocks, but in a market like ours, especially if we do go in a bear market, trading penny stocks is going to be it. You have to. If we collapse, the market collapses, I will take all my money and short everything that I can get my hands on with penny stocks for long term. Because these penny stocks will go back to zero. So, for you to learn buying and not learn shorting, it doesn't make you a trader. So if you want to be a trader and call yourself a trader, learn how to short. And I keep saying it adds no value to me. It's going to add value to you. I mean, I'm not the one who's benefiting from learning how to short. It's you who's benefiting. But I have to tell you once again, you have to learn how to short. You have to. Right? You will see that there's so much money to be made in shorting than buying stocks, and that's the reality. Ask any of my students, they will tell you most of the time now I short stocks. I mean, yes, you're just learning how to buy stocks right now. It's so hard for you to learn how to short stocks, but that's because it's in your head. You don't want change. You would like to stick to the way you are right now. I know, because I've been there in that position. But it's only for your best interest is to learn how to short. That's all I'm saying. Follow me on Instagram, guys. It's Simply Zed. If you want more content, if you want more videos. Appreciate you guys for watching. Peace and love, just like always. Alright guys, so here's the course. It's basically a link to a lot of video lessons. Now, we split it into different segments. It goes day trading penny stocks. These are penny stock videos, penny stock lessons. If we go back, these are high cap, basically earner report strategies and whatnot. These are lessons on that. And also for the swing trading, we also have this lesson on swing trading. So it's basically a bunch of lessons on swing trading stocks and a couple of general tips and advice that anybody needs. And I also have two files here, analyze these stocks for me. So you will have to analyze these and send them back to me. Also with the penny stocks, you will have to analyze these and send them back to me. And after Christmas, there will be, or January, there will be another segment called Finding Your Edge, and that's everything you need. Basically, it's for the advanced. After you studied this kind of course, the last segment is going to be how to become consistent and profitable at your trades, because I'm going to give you a few setups that you will need to kind of become that consistent person. So that's why the price will double after January, guys. But yeah, if you're interested, make sure you get it now before it's too late.